Have you heard about this kind of channel before? Kids from all around the world love watching it. It's like a daily show made just for them. It's full of colorful animations, fun songs, and stories that kids and their parents can enjoy together. These channels are so popular that they get billions of views every month. Because of this, they make a lot of money. For example, one of these channels earns about $7 million every single month from ads alone. Amazing, right? If someone had told you 2 years ago to make a channel like this, you might have thought it was too much work. You'd have to write songs, create scripts, and make animations. And if you didn't know how to do those things, you'd need to spend a lot of money to hire people to help. But now, it's so much easier because of AI. The video you're watching now took me just 5 minutes to create, and it cost me nothing. Yes, you heard that right. So stay with me because I'm going to show you how you can create your own animated kids song videos. Everything begins with a great idea. Don't worry if you don't have one. You can ask ChatGPT for help. I asked ChatGPT to come up with ideas for an animated kids song video. I found an idea I liked, so I asked ChatGPT to write the script and song lyrics for me. Once the script and lyrics were ready, I asked ChatGPT to write descriptions for each scene. Always make sure the description includes the whole setting. This helps the video making tool understand what you want. Now, let's copy that. To create the video, we'll use a video generator AI. There are many tools like Pika, Runway, Kling, and Hyo AI. Most of them offer free trials. But for this video, I'm using Hyo AI, which gives 3 days of unlimited access to new users. I've already tested it and it works great. Unlike some other tools, this one creates clean videos without strange distortions. It even adds proper movements to the animations. Let's paste the prompt we got from ChatGPT and generate the video. It might take a few minutes if a lot of people are using the tool. While waiting, we can add more scenes to the queue. After a while, the clips are ready. Let's download them. Now, we need a song. If you can't sing, play an instrument, or write music, don't worry, there's an AI for that too. I'm using Hyo AI. First, copy the lyrics from ChatGPT and paste them into the tool. You can also ask ChatGPT to suggest a music style to match your video, and paste it here and click on Generate. Once that's done, the tool will create a song for you. It might give you 2 options, so listen to them and choose the one that fits your video best. Select one and downloaded it. Now we have the video clips and the song. It's time to combine them. I'm using CapCut to edit everything. Upload your clips and the music, then match the scenes with the song. Once you're happy with how it looks, export the video. And here is your fun animated kids song video.
Hear my tune, my trunk makes music beneath the moon. I'm Marvin the monkey, swinging so free. I play my maracas, come dance with me. I'm Gina the giraffe, reaching up high. My harp sings soft like the breeze in the sky. I'm Leo the lion, hear my roar. On the drums, I lead the score. Clap, 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 and stomp, stomp, stomp. Swing your arms and do the chop. Let's move together, side to side. Feel the music far and wide. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Feel the rhythm, catch the beat. Sing along.
Wasn't that incredible? You can create your own YouTube channel like this and start earning money too. It's easy, fun, and costs almost nothing to get started. If this video helped you, leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. See you next time.